Some reports, like this asbestos survey report, have a sign-off stage. You might even have multiple sign-offs like this one does. So you could have one sign-off for quality control, another to authorize the report for issue, and maybe another client sign-off even. There are two ways to sign off the reports. First is on the mobile app, the second is on the dashboard. Let's start by looking at the mobile app method. So I'm going to go into this sign-off section here. I'm going to add a new signatory. This is going to be a quality control sign-off. And then you'll see we have this tap to sign option. So this is going to be really helpful if you've got a stylus, for example. You can do it with your finger, but it might be a little bit more fiddly. Now, because I'm on a simulator, I'll just have to use my mouse. So I'm going to pop it in my signature and click save. Pop in the date. And then let's save this record. So there's our first sign-off done. And that was pretty straightforward. Now, the alternative method is to use the dashboard. But this is going to require that you have an image of your signature, for example, a JPEG or a PNG. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to add a new signature here. And this time I'll choose other because it's not quality control. I'm going to choose authorize for issue and pop in my name. Now, because this is an upload rather than a stylus, I'm going to have to choose the file. Luckily, I have one here in my signatures folder. So I'll use that one, pop in the date, and click save. Now, that dashboard method, like I say, requires that you have an image of your signature. If you don't have one, this is what I'd suggest you do. Get a blank white sheet of paper and a felt tip pen. And as large as you can, draw your signature on that white sheet of paper in the felt tip pen. Then take a photograph of the paper and you should have something you can use as your signature. Now you might want to tidy the signature up a bit. If you want to do this, you can send it to us and we'll tidy it up for you, crop it, remove the background, that sort of thing. Or if you're already quite good with image editing tools, you can do this yourself. But I would suggest cropping it as close as you can to the signature and trying to remove that background if possible, which you can do using various online tools. So those are the two ways that you can add signatures to your reports. And just bear in mind, you can only do this if the template has been set up to allow signatures. If not, get in touch and we can add a new signature section to your reports.